Hello everyone, I, Kirti Meglani, faculty of BBA department from Technical Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic problem of overpopulation. What does overpopulation is all about? Overpopulation refers to an undesirable condition where human population exceeds available natural resources to feed and sustain. Rapid population growth is the bane of the economy of the underdeveloped, poor and developing countries in the world. There are various factors which are responsible for overpopulation like reduced mortality rate, better medical facilities, depletion of precious resources. Growing advances in the technology with each coming year has affected the humanity in various ways. One of these has been the ability to save lives and create better medical treatment for all. A direct result of this has been increased lifespan and growth of the population. In the past 50 or so many years, the growth of population has boomed and has turned into the overpopulation. There are various causes which are responsible for the overpopulation, like increased life expectancy rate. While the average annual birth rate in India, which was 42 per thousand in 1951 to 1961, decreased to 24.8 per thousand in 2011. The country has seen its decadal death rate decline to 8.5 in 2001 to 2011, from 42.6 in 1901 to 1911. Since the death rate has also gone down sharply, the population has tended to grow at a very fast pace in India. Next, lack of family planning. If we add the number of miscarriages in the country with an estimated number of births in 1 year, even in this age, the family planning, one woman on an average is pregnant at any time in the age group of 15 to 45 years. All this happens because of the large number of people in our country are illiterate with no awareness about the various advantages of family planning and the ill effects of the overpopulation on the society. Next, early marriage. Child marriage is one of the major social problems of our country. Even today, a large number of boys and girls are married at an age when they are not prepared for family responsibilities, either socially, emotionally, physically, and mentally as well. Marriage at unripe age also leads to higher mortality rate of infants. Next, lack of education. The failure of family planning is directly related to the large-scale illiteracy that also contributes to early age of marriage, low status of women, high child mortality rate, etc. mentioned above. Uneducated families cannot grasp the issues and problems which are caused by the increasing population rate. They are least aware of the various ways to control population, usage of contraceptives and birth control measures. Next, religious reasons. The people who are conservative and orthodox are opposed to the use of family planning measures. Women in such families are not allowed to take part in family planning because they are not supposed to go against the wishes of God. There are also women who argue that children are born with God's will and women are destined to give birth to the children. Next, compulsions of poverty. Poverty is another reason for the increase in population in our country. Many poor parents produce more children not because they do not have knowledge about contraceptives, but because they require children to assist them in earning their livelihood. It is clear from the fact that there is unending number of child laborers in our country. If poor families stop the children from working, their family income tends to fall away, short of meeting their basic needs. Next, problem of the mindset. Generally, illiterate and uneducated children inherit their father's behavior and choose to give birth to as many children as it is necessary to increase their income of the family. As the son is supposed to be a bread earner of the family, the poor do not mind producing any number of girl children in their desire to be ultimately blessed by a male child. So I hope you have understood about the basic concept of overpopulation and what are various problems which are related to that. At the end, I would like to say you thank you very much.